Hi, this is Scott Henson, the lab director for Pecan Street. I'm here today to shoot one of the D2 deliverable videos for the energy switch system. I'm going to demonstrate mode 5 operation on one of the production units. I will do a very quick video tour today. The other videos I will be providing are a more detailed video tour comparing the unit to the engineering documentation. So this side of the unit shows one of the two Schneider inverters, the voltage monitoring board on the top left for the SARM, the triply redundant or quadruply redundant power supply board on the top right, 3 AC inputs, 1 DC input. The SARM logic board is below that. Inside the system are the relay drive cards, the current monitoring, current transducer cards, fusing and load control and mode control relays, and circuit breakers for safety and protection. At the bottom are the 3 LG battery systems with 9.6 kilowatt hours of total storage. And on the right side of the unit are the residential load control relays for 120 volt circuits and the load facing inverter which would be powering the home in modes 1 through 4. We have replaced the mode operation buttons with an HMI interface that gives the operator, the homeowner, more detail about the current mode and energy flows within the system. Right now the batteries are being topped off. They went below their preset limit on charge level, so they are being topped off. We are serving about 1,000 watts to the home, and the system is in mode 1. I'm going to put the system into mode 5 via the HMI interface. The large clunk sound that you heard was the transfer switch changing over, and you will now see that the load is being directly served by the grid. The batteries are still charging because they are still below their preset level. Okay. Now I'm going to put the system back into mode 1. In a few moments the HMI will update, showing that the system has indeed returned to mode 1. Okay. And at this point the battery top-off procedure is complete, so it's actually showing 18 watts flowing back to the grid, now 3 watts flowing to the energy switch. That is essentially a zero value. There is no power flowing into or out of the system, and right now the system is able to serve the load solely from batteries. The other way to set the mode 5 is through the manual override switch. And this is in the case of an equipment failure. This switch is wired such that it actually interrupts the power for all of the mode control relays, and they are wired so that with no power they default to mode 5. Additionally, it will cut power to the HMI display so that the homeowner is not confused about trying to operate the energy switch when it is in this bypassed mode. So now the system is in mode 5, and I'm going to move over to our programmable loads, which are still being served. We're using this bottom one today, and it is still being served through the direct grid connection of the energy switch. Bring it back out of bypass mode. The system was last in mode 1. It will have measured the grid operating conditions and will come up in mode 1 again. Thank you very much. Bye.